And then and after that, if we decide, okay, we go in the mountain. So when I go in the mountain, brother, after 1 day, 2 days, my face is look like haggard pa. It's look like because no water is stable there, brother pa. No shower. Sorry, English name mota, brother, in the morning sky.
I know about the motor for
Yes,
sure.
it's look like, brother, I am a haggard face. It's like a
Right.
badyaw face, brother.
Plus you lose some of the you're not as filled in because the body uses it for just walking around and
Yes,
everything.
like it's look like, brother, pa, very stress face, brother, pa. And then in the morning, no shower, brother, very bullying it.
If you go high, where it's foggy, nobody can see it anymore. No problem.
Yes, it's okay, brother, if nobody
Look
can
like
see.
Ginger.
It's like, brother, if I go in the mountain, brother, like for example, here, we don't have a jar. So when, when we go in the mountain, brother, after 2 days, we stay there. In the morning, we go here. My face is like haggard. It look like I get 5 rounds of jar. Even not. I am very loyal.
Ginger.
Loyal, brother.
Dahil nga ko na
It's look like-
Jirjira, eh.
brother, I am very bullied.
Sabot mo Ginger ya, tukura.
It look like